Holy. Good morning. Today is Wednesday. I'm getting my haircut today. Now, I've had the same hairstylist for... When was the first time I went to him? Probably 2017, 2018인가? He mainly does women's hair, but I think he does men's hair really, really well. 얼굴에 되게 잘 맞춰줘, haircut을. I've been growing my hair out for a while now because, you know, I wanted a girl. 잠깐만. I feel like I'm fully giving like... Cause tonight will be the night. This was fully me in my MySpace era. Me in high school, girl. Fully inspired by Super Junior with their long ass motherfucking hair. I think originally it was because I wanted to like really grow my hair out so I can get a perm. Get that sort of wavy bogur halmori look. But I bleached my bangs, which I do love the look of, but I can't even perm that part anyway, so it'd be weird for me to have like this permed hair and then all of a sudden my bangs are just straight. But anyway, lately I'm just very inspired by CORTIS. Especially James. Honey, James is the muse for me now. James is the muse. And also, I was going through my, I was trying to clear out some hard drives on my computer, and I had the original files for the first few episodes of the Double D podcast I have. If you didn't know, I have a podcast, so my hair was a lot shorter then, and it was like more layered, and I was like, I really like that hair on me. So those two things, James and my slightly shorter hair, I don't know, I'm kind of feeling it. So I am actually going to CORTIS' actual hairstylist to get my hair cut today. I always thought it would be like difficult to get, honestly, even getting your makeup done, like let's say like kid, like, oh, Espa's makeup artist, you know. I did get an opportunity to get my makeup done there once before, but I didn't do the booking myself. I didn't realize for like the average person, it's like not that easy to get a booking. So I was surprised at how easy it was to just book this stylist. I literally just did it on Naver. Now it is easy for me because I do have like a Naver account, which you need like an ARC, like a alien registration card here in Korea. So I don't know how it is. I mean, the dude has his phone number straight up on his Instagram, so I think you can directly just message him. But yeah, I'm just gonna get my haircut done and I'm gonna take you with me. I need to fix this fucking hair of mine, girl. I'm looking crazy. Actually, no, it's not the fact that it looks crazy. It's getting too long now, and if I do want to go out, I'm like not in my 20s anymore where I would be so willing to just style my hair every single fucking day. I'm in my mid-30s now, girl. Like I want that easy, quick shit. So I find that having shorter hair is just quick and easy. I really like the look of James, like really layered kind of hair. So if I could just fucking put wax in it, be quick with it, great. But with this hair, I gotta dry it in a certain way, and then if I want that wavy look, I have to use flat iron. Bitch, I'm too fucking 할 거 너무 많아. Oh, also, did you see this? Change the background of my little office area. I ended up moving this little thing I have over to this side, and I just ended up, because I had this thing in the previous room, I was like, I think it'd be kind of cute to display my little drapes as like almost like a background. Also, it'd be easier for when I'm doing people's like personal color and stuff, because before I would just have them on this little thing over here. It takes up so much space unnecessarily. Turn up the light. Cute. Glad I woke up really fucking early. I swear to God, I don't know why, but because last night I went drinking with my friend, have not spoken to him in years. Then all of a sudden he fucking messaged me because he was also kind of like a content creator, and so I kind of met him through that. 근데 오랜만에 막 연락 와가지고 I was like 당장. I didn't realize he actually lives really, really close to me. So I was like, bitch, let's fucking hang out like right now. I didn't get like shit-faced or anything. It was just very light drinking, but I realized that it makes me wake up really early. I don't know why, but it's a good thing because otherwise, I swear to God, whenever there's like days, when I over-prepare myself to be vlogging the next day, I end up thinking about it too much and then I end up just not vlogging. It's gotten worse since my sister has left. I was FaceTiming my sister the other day and I was like, girl, ever since she left, I don't know what to do anymore. Because I don't go out. The reason I was vlogging so much at the time was because we were always going out. Now that she's not here, where am I gonna go, girl? To be honest, I don't even know if I can film there at the actual hairstylist. I'll see if I can, but 못할 수도 있어. Have you tried this before? This is Misha 초보양 BB cream. I remember back in the day, this shit was like, oh my God. Misha had so many lines of BB cream. Too many. There were just so many fucking BB creams. Oh shit, hold on. Momo's Workshop has this new denim sponge collection. Denim collection box. Also, I'm glad I have several mutual creator people. They actually explain that these sponges come in different types. So like the one I just showed you is technically the firm one, which, girl, she's hella firm. Like, solid, bitch. And this is great. I love this because I love matte foundation and this is meant for that. But I realized apparently it comes in 4 different types. What I do know is that the ones that have the black sponge here are meant for matte foundation types, while the ones that have this sort of finish have a little more give to them. And so they're meant more for like 촉촉한, moist foundation. Although I don't think it really matters that much because I've used this sponge even with this BB cream and it still works really, really well. 살짝 좀 glow 남아있어. What I like about this one is that it's so firm that it doesn't eat up product. You keep a lot of that coverage, but this one, it takes up some of that product. I think more so than like, oh, this is meant for glowy foundation. Oh, this is meant for matte foundation. I guess you can change up which sponge you use based on how much coverage that you like. But yeah, I remember this BB cream coming out so long ago, and this is like the slightly new repackaged version. I remember back then this was meant for like, this was targeted to like 어머니들, like moms or like 아줌마들. 근데 she's having a resurgence, girl, because this is a really great BB cream in general for like drier skin. Even during my makeup lessons, I always suggest that one for people that have generally good skin or they're not looking for like heavy foundation because, you know, I do love a good foundation. Like the Chicho was my favorite, you know, Revlon Color Stay foundation. But if you want just like natural shit, then you 좋아. Also, oh my god, girl. I've just been like appreciating all the work I've been doing on my skin. Shout out to Rapid Clinic. That's where I've been going for all these like skin treatments and shit. Love it. All the pain that I've been through. And I'm thinking of like putting together all the vlogs I ever did for TikTok right up onto my YouTube channel. So if you're curious, you'll be able to check out the whole journey there. Fully worth it, girl. Because every time I'm like, I have like this little mirror right there that I look at myself in while I'm like sitting at my computer. And so if you've been watching me for years, you know I've had that acne scarring. And so it's so nice to see myself without all that fucking shit on my face. It's still kind of there, but it's so much better. And I don't know, it's just my confidence has been so boosted lately. I think you should be able to be comfortable in your own skin, but acne scarring to me just, ugh. I feel like everybody has like that one insecurity that even though, you know, we can be told our whole life, like, oh my, you're beautiful the way you are. But then you'll have that one insecurity where you're like, oh, I wish this was, it's the one thing if it was different. You know, let's put on a blush though. I do want to put blush. These Glyph ones. I bought all of her new reformulated blushes. This is Chonsomi's brand, Glyph. And I never ended up making a fucking video on them. I have like every single color too. But recently they they have a little section at the Mushinsa store now. So you can actually buy them IRL, like in person. Because before you can only get them online here in Korea. So if you're in Korea and you want to try Glyph, I think Glyph is some of the best. Their lippies are fantastic. Their glue glosses, some of the best glosses on the market. It's thick and sticky, bitch. But also their blush colors, some of the best muted tones that not a lot of brands make. Also, because many people ask me, and I have been writing it like in my YouTube description, but I'm using the Osmo Action 6 to film this video. The reason is because I can film it in a square. So this is actually what it looks like, the film, but I can crop in for both short form and YouTube so that you know, it fits whatever format I want. So if you're curious, that's the camera I use. This color, by the way, is Junk from Glyph. Okay, I'm just gonna finish getting ready and then I'll see you out there, maybe. We'll see. Say hi to the vlog, y'all. Hi! 안녕하세요! He was like, hi. We're on Twitch stream. My PC literally just fucking crashed out just now. So yeah, I'm trying to gain my composure back because I'm a little bit gagged right now. Hi. Look, the weather's fucking beautiful today. There she is. Beautiful. I'm here. That is so cute. So okay. Apparently it's the 원장님's 만든 brand of shampoo. So she's like, oh, you should try this out. Okay, girl. Come on, 해줘. How does it look? It's so short. I fucking love it. It's so lightweight. I couldn't film. Not that I couldn't. I didn't want to because I didn't want to bother him. He was like, gosh, she was locked in. He was like serious, so I didn't want to bother him with like a camera in his face. I find it so fascinating that it wasn't really until the end that he actually started using scissors to cut my hair. The whole time he was using a razor, which makes sense because it's a very layered haircut. It reminds me so much of when I was in high school and everyone was into the emo hair or like the scene hair and everybody used razors to cut their hair. High key, the little tool that he was using, basically like a razor like this. So he was very much just like just layering that shit up, girl. And to be honest, that makes sense. I would have thought they would use like thinning shears, which he did use at some point, but I thought they would mainly use the thinning shears, but he was using the razor. It was very much giving me high school MySpace days, girl. And I swear to God, the attention to detail was insane. He was like really like stop, like 하나씩 막 he was like observing. Because for me, I'm like, oh, it's probably just like a, you know, it's like a messy hairstyle, so it's just quick and easy. But he was like going in, girl. I was like, okay. It was a little bit sad seeing all the hair I've been growing out just kind of just fall on the floor, but my head does feel much lighter. And like the way he literally just put wax in it, girl. Just wax and a little hairspray, and that's it. It was straight up giving that vibe. So 신기했어. Also, while I was waiting, Martin of CORTIS came in. So I saw him for like a split second. He's so tall. I mean, I knew he was tall, but IRL, girl? He's tall. I should buy my sunglasses. I feel like sunglasses would look so good with his hair. I will tag him in this post and also link his Instagram below for those of you that are interested. So I literally just spent the last hour or so taking really high quality photos of all of my drapes so that I can put them into Photoshop and actually like create almost like virtual drapings. Don't ask me who that is, just some random man I found on Google. But I put all the photos into Photoshop and I extracted each one. For example, true spring. Hey! True summer. Hey! Autumn, winter. In low key looks pretty realistic. For example, here's dark winter versus deep winter. I even made sure to include little folds and stuff in the fabric to give that little realistic touch. Because I've been toying with the idea of doing Bounce Beauty online because we're kind of limited to the people that are only coming to Korea. And to be honest, I'm a believer in that if you're gonna get draping, it should be done in person. But with the particular way that I do personal color analysis, I think this is a pretty viable way. I'm kind of taking all the experience I've had from doing it in person and kind of applying it to this. So whether I end up actually doing this or not, I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. I would still have to make like a form and like an instructional video on how to take a photo because the thing that worries me the most, because this sample photo that I'm just using here, it's a professionally taken photo, right? But I know damn well it's the type of thing that people are just not gonna properly take a good, like, well-lit photo. They're gonna be taking like dimly lit under the covers of their blanket at night using like a potato or something. So I'm like, ugh. Anyway, that was a really fucking short vlog, but I figured I would at least document the experience, I guess. That was fully empty. That was me pretending to drink something on camera, girl. What the fuck? I posted my new haircut on my Instagram story and everybody, like I was going for James, but everyone in my DMs is like, oh my God, Martin? To be honest, I kind of get it. I feel like I look more like Martin than James. Not that I'm trying to like look like any of them, but because I would think that with Martin's hair, his hair's like longer than mine right now. I guess I can kind of see it. I don't know. I'm still kind of shook that I saw him in person. He looks so like chill in the best way possible. I mean, was there a bad way to be chill? He just walked in looking so normal, I guess, which is like, I don't know, quite refreshing to see. Because I swear to God, sometimes I've been to the shops before and whenever, you know, 연예인들은 들어오면은 약간, I always like to suss the vibe, right? Some of them give very just like, 안녕하세요, you know, vibes, while others look like, kind of like, why am I here? Probably because they're tired, but who knows. Anyway, I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye. Girl, also I just fucking realized, I always thought Bit and Boot was like a really random name for a salon, but on my way to the salon, it dawned on me, Bit literally just means comb, and Boot is just like a makeup brush or something. Girl, I'm so fucking...